Hi everyone. For today's video, I'll be talking about a topic which is very relevant to today's field in computing AI and GPU computing. GPUs have evolved massively from being primarily for gaming graphics to becoming the backbone of AI, autonomous driving, and even the metaverse. Pag-usapan natin ang origins nito and its current role in technologies like self-driving vehicles and where we are heading with advancement like digital twins in the metaverse. So first is the GPU computing or its origins and its evolution. So let's discuss how GPU started. Based on the first video, GPUs were originally designed to handle heavy graphical computations like rendering 3D objects or processing high-definition images. Their strength lies in their uh, processing capabilities, which means they can process thousands of calculations simultaneously. This efficiency made them perfect for gaming, but later, researchers saw that their potential for broader computational tasks like scientific simulation and machine learning. And over the years, um, GPUs evolved to address computation-heavy tasks in AI. Yung mga deep learning models no, natin ngayon, like uh, usually rely on GPU because they require fast and efficient processing of large data sets. Without this discovery and evolution, it would be impossible to train modern AI models at the pace we see now today. Specifically, ChatGPT, where you can prompt something and it provides you already with loads of information. So in the second part of the video, it explains that how GPUs can have become indispensable in AI. Unlike CPUs, which focus on general purpose tasks, GPU excel in tasks na repetitive and parallel, tulad ng image recognition, voice processing, or even generating. One example na nabanggit is yung Tesla self-driving cars. Alam naman natin na autonomous vehicles require real-time decision making. This means processing terabytes of data from sensors and camera, which is only possible with GPU acceleration. So I think the use of GPUs in AI will only grow as AI models become more complex kasi mas kakailangan natin ng GPUs with even more cores and computing power. And another interesting development is the rise of general purpose GPU computing or GPGPU. Basically, ito yung paggamit ng GPUs beyond graphics and gaming. So, like yung RAM na specifically for servers, ano siya, or ano, tawag dito, CPU that's specifically for servers, separate siya for personal use and for the servers itself. Uh, Ngayon, they're used for things like analytics, simulation, at pati na rin sa cloud computing. Imagine industries like healthcare, finance, and even space exploration using GPUs to solve complex problems faster than ever before. For future engineers like us, computer engineers, I think it's exciting to think about how can we apply GPU in innovative way. It's clear na hindi ito limited sa gaming or entertainment lamang. So next on the second video, which is the applications in intelligent driving vehicles, which is NVIDIA versus Tesla revealing their self-driving cars. Tesla and NVIDIA's efforts in creating self-driving technology. Tesla uses its custom-built AI chips, while NVIDIA provides GPUs and AI platforms for other company to make use of. Ang kaganahan dito is how GPUs make it possible to process visual data in real time. Kaya kayang-kaya nila gumawa ng decisions like braking or turning almost instantly. This is me. One takeaway ko dito is how these technologies can transform transportation. Imagine a future na mas safe ang kalsada dahil AI-driven vehicles can eliminate human error. At the same time, it raises ethical questions about data privacy in job displacement, especially as the transportation sector. As engineer, kailangan natin itong pag-isipan ng mabuti. So, next is the future, no? Uh, on the third video, which is the future or hype, specifically the video about uh, talks about how Metaverse wants to have an exact replica of our physical world into a digital one. So the title of the video is Metaverse: What the Future of Internet Could Look Like. And it says here that Facebook, or the owner Mark Zuckerberg, has bet big on it, uh, changing its name to Meta in October of 2022, I suppose, and it's caught the imagination of tech founders as far back as the 90s. The term metaverse was first coined by American author Stephenson in his sci-fi novel Snow Crash in 1992, which it describes a parallel digital universe in the next iteration of internet, which promises to allow us to live, work, and play within the virtual world, not just the physical world. So going back, uh, sorry. So metaverse and digital twins. The metaverse, as explained in the third video, is like a parallel digital universe where we can live, uh, work, and play. Digital twins, on the other hand, are virtual replicas of physical objects or environments. Both rely heavily on GPUs to create realistic visuals and enable real-time interaction. Basically, you have an avatar, you can talk, uh, you can talk with them, interact with things in the digital world. I find the concept of digital twins particularly exciting. For example, um, engineers can use digital twins to test prototypes virtually before building them into a real world. This could save a lot of time and resources. As for metaverse, I think it's a mix of hype and potential. No? Um, right now, I think there's an application recently, like 1 year ago, I think, the there's uh, Meta having so as far as the metaverse, I think it's in a mix of hype and potential. Uh, yeah, like recently there's an application released by Metaverse that you have like a small avatar in a tiny compartment. It's funny, but well, the idea of a fully immersive virtual world is exciting. It's not without its challenges. For one, hardware like VR headset is still expensive. Because it's still new, the technology is still new, it's not yet common. So, and not everyone has access to high-speed internet, which is another source of another thing for you to pay. And then there's the question of whether people actually want to spend so much time in a virtual world. For us engineer, the challenge is to make these technologies more accessible and practical. If we can achieve that, the metaverse and digital twins could have a huge impact on industries like education, real estate, and entertainment. On the third video, there was a lot of things. They can. It says that you can have it in your personal or home because you need a lot of camera in the room. You need to have a vest. You have a lot of controls being strapped in your hands and your body. And then the another one was about uh, a cup, which when you pour water, it changes the taste automatically just for just with the changes in electrical sensors. So in conclusion, now I think GPUs have come a long way ever since from their origins in gaming, and now today they're at the forefront of AI, autonomous vehicles, and emerging technologies like the metaverse. As future engineers, it's up to us to explore how we can use GPUs to solve real world problems while addressing challenges like accessibility, ethics, and sustainability. I'm very excited to see where this technology will take us, and I hope we can all contribute to shaping a future where technology benefits everyone, especially that we're living in a futuristic age now, very futuristic. We have phones that we can touch alone. We can talk to each other even miles apart. So I'm very excited now, to see where technology takes us. So thank you for watching, everyone, and stay safe. Thank you. Okay.